In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy events to another calendar in Google Calendar. This is really handy if you use multiple calendars, like one for work, one for personal plans, or shared calendars for family or projects, and you want the same event to appear on more than one of them without having to recreate it from scratch. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar is open, go to the view where you can clearly see your event. The week or day view often works best because it gives you a clearer look at individual events. Now, find the event that you want to copy. When you see it on your calendar, click directly on the event. This will open a small pop-up window with the event details like the title, time, guests, and any description you've added. Take a quick second to confirm that this is the exact event you want to copy, especially if you have similar events or recurring ones. In that event pop-up, look for the 3 vertical dots. You'll usually find them near the top of the window, often next to the edit icon. These 3 dots open what's called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. If you don't see them right away, try hovering your mouse over the Event Details window to make sure all of the icons are visible. After clicking the 3 dots, a small drop-down menu will appear with a few different actions you can take. In that menu, look for the option that says Copy to or Copy Event to, followed by a list of your available calendars. This option is what lets you duplicate the existing event onto another one of your calendars. Click on Copy Event to, and then choose the calendar you want to copy it to from the list. When you select the target calendar, Google Calendar will open a new event window that looks very similar to the original, but it will now be associated with the calendar you chose. Here, you can review all the details, the title, date and time, location, description, and any guests. If needed, you can adjust anything before saving. Once everything looks good, click Save. The event is now copied to the other calendar, and you should see it appear there alongside your existing events. This simple process helps keep your schedules aligned across multiple calendars without extra typing or the risk of missing details.